Hey guys, welcome back to another easy draw video. In this easy draw video, we are going to be learning how to draw a easy draw cake because it is my mom's birthday. These are the steps to be drawing the easy draw cake. Now let's start. First, we are going to make the outline of the cake. And then now we are going to draw the second layer for the cake. It's not going to be as big. After that, we are going to draw the last layer. Now we are going to move on to the frosting. We are going to just do some loops like this. And then after, you could color it in. Now we are going to move on to the sprinkles. We could choose any color you want. So I am going to choose green and blue because they're darker than the purple. So I'm just going to do this. Just like that. And then I'm going to use my black and my blue marker so it looks colorful. And then I'm going to do the same thing on the second cake. Alright, now we are moving on to the candles. So you could use any color again for the candles, and you can make them any way you want. I am going to use these two colors. And I'm going to make them this way. I'm just going to put 3 candles. And then I'm going to use this blue to fill in the white spot. Just like that. And then you could put a little point like that. Now we are going to make the fire on the candles. We are going to use orange first, or any color really, but just make it like a fire color. And then I'm going to make the shape of the fire like that. After that, you could use some red. And then you could use yellow. And then the same thing for all of the things. Alright, now we have the candles done. So we could do any detail to the cake. So I'm going to grab my colors. Now you could add any detail on the sides. I'm just gonna put some balloons. Just like that. And that. And then you could color it in any color you want. I'm gonna do orange. And then I'm gonna choose red. And there you have it, your very own birthday cake.